welcome back to Bisaya in Japan. Nagapong ko sa balay tungod aning coronavirus, so maghimay mo tag video. Okay. Karon nag-unboxing mo ta before sa Gundam Converge karon kay atong himuon. Kani siya. Ato na siyang himuon. Okay, out na siya sa plastic. Let's check ang each part in detail. Okay. Muna yung murag body. NZ999. Okay. Next, kani. Murag sa shoulder armor. Closer look. Ano niya i-attach. Okay. Next, ang chest area. Pwede mo naman siya. Okay. Yung thrusters. Kamot. Nasaan do? Sunod. Ano yung tingali butang extra na part kung palit ka sa P-banday. Yung base day. Base. Ganda kay 4 kabuk. Then, ito ta sa Sinanji's 9. Yung bazooka 2 pieces. Nada, manananggal. Mura ni. Booster. Pareha sa akong siyang whole body. So then just time you. Nana ko ikauban. Okay. Ang shield. I'm a little disappointed sa shield. Flat ra kayo. Butang slayo, but compared sa just at least with detail pa. Ato i-check ni. Kung flat budget siya. Flat ra gyud. Walay bisag unsa. No. May pa ni silang magagmay. Detail pa. No. Okay, going back. Yan. TL. Huwag kang kamot. May buslot. Para sa bazooka. Ato ko na i-check. Kano siya? Way kamot. Masih kamot. Wa jud. May pang white. Okay, so mo ng small parts. Okay. Ako sa symbol.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tommy just burst in the door and started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead, he's locked in my basement. Feminist women love Eminem. Chicka, 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 Slim Shady, I'm sick of him. Look at him, walking around, grabbing his you-know-what, flipping the you-know-who.
Yeah, but he's so cute, though.
Yeah, I probably got a couple of screws up in my head loose, but no worse than what's going on in your parents' bedrooms. Sometimes I wanna get on TV and just let loose, but can't. But it's cool for Tom Green to hump a dead moose. My bum is on your lips, my bum is on your lips. And if I'm lucky, you might just give it a little kiss. And that's the message that we deliver to little kids. And expect them not to know what a woman's clitoris is. Of course they're gonna know what in the chorus is. By the time they hit 4th grade, they got the Discovery Channel, don't they? We ain't nothing but mammals. Well, some of us cannibals who cut other people open like cantaloupes. But if we can hump dead animals and antelopes, then there's no reason that a man and another man can't elope. But if you feel like I feel, I got the antidote. Women wave your pantyhose, sing the chorus, and it goes. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up.
Nindot.
I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the
Detail
real
lang.
Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up.
Yeah.
Please stand up. Will Smith don't got a
Medyo
cousin
sinanjo.
who's fast, sell records. Well, I do. So fuck him and fuck you too. You think I give a damn about a Grammy? Half of you critics can't even stomach me, let alone stand me. But Slim, what if you win? Wouldn't it be weird? Why? So you guys can just lie to get me here, so you can sit me here next to Britney Spears. Shit, Christina Aguilera better switch me chairs so I can sit next to Carson Daly and Fred Durst and hear them argue over who she gave head to first. Little bitch put me on blast on MTV. Yeah, he's cute, but I think he's married to Kim. I said download her audio on MP3 and show the whole world how you gave him an MVD. I'm sick of you little girl and boy groups, all you do is annoy me, so I have been sitting here to destroy you. And there's a million of us just like me, who cuss like me, who just don't give a fuck like me, who dress like me, walk, talk, and act like me, and just might be the next best thing, but not quite me. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating, so won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. 'Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are
Tagak
just
mo.
imitating, so won't the real Slim
Tagak
Shady
ang
please stand up? Please stand up. I'm like a head trip to listen to, 'cause I'm only giving you things you joke about with your friends inside your living room. The only difference is I got
Tara, silang duha.
gotta be false or sugar-coated at all. I just get on the mic and spit it, and whether you like to admit it, I just shit it better than 90% of you rappers out, kid. Then you wonder how can kids eat up these albums like volumes of
Thank you guys for watching again Bisaya in Japan. Bye-bye.